to sell a used disc harrow. When it comes to selling a used disc harrow, the best place to do this is on AgriMag. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the item being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the disc harrow and provide information related to its past working life. Additionally, detail its current working condition with reference to the sturdiness of the frame, the blade quality, the working order of the discs, the arbor bolt, and finally, the unit's general condition and structural integrity. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying choice and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on agrimag.coza. Visit agrimag.coza, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.